Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Sue. Today I am extremely excited because I am going to be doing a unboxing of an item that I've been wanting for quite a while now, and I've been holding back just because it hasn't been the right time. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Cartier Love ring in the wedding band version. For those of you that don't know, there are two versions to this ring, and this is just the basic one. It's not the one with the diamonds or anything like that. It's either the regular one, which is the thicker version, or the skinnier version, which is the wedding band version. For some reason, I was originally gonna get the bigger version or the thicker version, but then I was like, you know what, I'm really into dainty jewelry, necklaces. You can see that my necklace is dainty and small. My jewelry that I wear around my fingers, they're just small and skinny and dainty. Even this one is a little bit big, but this one is the exception. So yes, I'm super excited because this is actually my first Cartier piece. Anyways, so a little backstory before I actually get into the unboxing. I actually wanted to get this a while back. My boyfriend, when I mentioned it to him, he goes, oh, why don't I get it for you? And so I was like, oh, okay, perfect. You know, if you really want to get it for me, then, you know, by all means, go right ahead. But then I was thinking that, you know, I actually wanted to get this ring for my middle finger and for my index finger. I actually ordered this a week ago, and then I mentioned to him the night we were laying together. I was like, hey, so I actually bought the ring, hopefully you don't mind. And he goes, well, I thought I told you I was gonna get it for you. So I told him, I know, but I wanted to get it for my index finger and for my middle finger, and the one I'm getting is actually in the gold version. I told him that he can get me the one for my wedding finger, and he can get it in the silver version. Well, it's not called silver, I think it's like platinum or something of that sort. So he goes, okay, that works, that's fine. So we're both happy. That's how it came about, to how I ended up getting this for myself. Let's just jump right into it. I've never bought a ring from Cartier before. As far as sizing goes, I hope it's my right size. My index finger and my middle finger, they're the same size, and I am a 6 in US. On the Cartier website, when you go on, they'll have like a big old chart that tells you all their sizings. I was like, you know what, I'm just go with their chart. So I went with a 6, which is my size in the US, but on their website is 52 for reference, if you guys are curious. And I'm hoping it fits my finger because I would not want to do exchange or refund on this. You guys know I've mentioned it before. I'm gonna mention it again. I hate doing or dealing with any of that shipping, return, exchange kind of thing, especially with this whole COVID thing going on. You just kind of don't know if your package is gonna end up back at Cartier. You know what I mean? So it comes in a box like this, kind of like the Louis Vuitton boxes, where it has a thing that you rip across, but the Louis Vuitton ones, they're brown instead of white. I am so excited, you guys. Oh my gosh, really excited. The shipping was so fast. I ordered this on Wednesday night and it came today, and so I'm not sure when this video will be uploaded, but it's Friday, so it took literally like 2 days for like express shipping, and it was free. Oh my goodness, here's an envelope. So let me just see. Please be patient with me because this is like my first time ordering from Cartier. So inside looks like that, and then you get a little note. I don't know if this is a note. Is it a note? Okay, let me just open it up and see what it says. In this little thing, it is, wow. Okay, so this is how this looks like. It says Cartier, and oh, so this is the certificate. I don't know if I'm supposed to show it to you guys, but I'll show it anyways. I don't know too much about Cartier, but I know that if you plan on reselling any Cartier pieces that you have, you always want to keep this, because I think they only make one of this. If you lose it, I don't think they're gonna make you another one. You're in a sacred place, safe. If you plan on ever reselling, you just never know. 10 years down the road, like, I don't want this no more, and you can sell it and make your money back. I'm just saying, keep this in a safe spot. And then this is, I don't know what this is, so I think this might be the note I wrote to myself. I wrote to myself, was this Cartier, and it says, here's an early push present for yourself, you deserve it. I wrote that for myself because I'm gonna be in labor in 4 months. That is that. Oh, so this is the return exchange form. Sorry that took a while. Sorry, this is my first time. Bear with me. Here's the bag. It's kind of dusty. Here it is. If you were to go in store, this is how it looks like. It's a lot of confettis. Here is how it looks like. Well, these are the little things that stick, but they're kind of popping out. This is how it looks like. This just feels like paper. Feels like paper. Alright, so let's open it up. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. I hope it fits my finger. And smells like a box. This is how the box looks like. You guys can see that. And it looks like this. The box, it's already opening up. Okay, let me just let me close it because it kind of popped open. But okay, so it looks like that. It's like a box in a box. And the reveal. So this little piece goes on the bottom, so you open it the right way. You push it and it pops open, and smells so luxurious. Let me just quickly show you guys. So you guys can see. Let's see if it fits. So on here it says Cartier 52 inside with a few numbers in there. That's how it looks like. And then it's got the Cartier design. Let's try it on. I'm going to take these off because I'm going to be wearing it on this hand. But it's a tight fit. But it fits though. It's a tight fit. On my finger right now, what do you guys think? It's almost like a perfect fit, and it's hard to take off actually. See, it doesn't want to come off. Sorry, this part that's red is because I was actually in the yard working in the front yard and I actually cut myself. Yeah, it just looks a little bit slightly smaller than this one, like very, very slightly. I put this one on, right? Take it off. Maybe this was a 6.5. So I know my middle finger is bigger and I'm kind of afraid to put it on my middle finger. Yeah, it's like a tight. So I'm gonna figure out what I want to do. This is a really tight squeeze for my finger, so I might end up having to exchange it for a bigger size. So it fits my ring finger perfectly, and my ring finger is a size 5. This is how it looks like. I love it though. It's so dainty and cute. What do you guys think? You guys like this version more, or you guys like the thicker version more? Put it on this finger. A perfect fit for this finger. So aside from the sizing, I absolutely love the ring. It's so dainty, it's cute, it's different. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I will keep you guys up to date if I decide to keep it so I could use it for my ring finger or exchange it so I could get it for my middle finger and for my index finger. Hey guys, so I decided after thinking about it, I didn't want to wait too long in case I wanted, you know, to exchange the product or refund it. I decided to just exchange it. I was thinking about keeping it so I can just use it for my ring finger because it only fit my ring finger. It was too tight to use it on my middle finger and my index finger. I figured this was going to be one of my first purchase for Cartier. I wanted it to be something that I really wanted and be super confident in the purchase. So I ended up exchanging it for the correct size, and also I ended up getting it in a different color. I also got it in the thicker band. I know, I was just thinking about it over and over, and I tried it on back and forth, and I was like, you know what, my hands, I'm gonna admit, but I have really big hands for a woman. I think I have the biggest hands in my family. My sisters, they all have really tiny, petite, small hands. I was just talking about them recently, and they all wear sizes 4, 4.5, 5 is pushing it for them. I'm over here like, who wears 3s and 4s? They're so tiny. Unless I'm wearing it on my pinky, I don't think 3s and 4s will fit me. I have big hands, so I'm just gonna say it out there. I am proud of it because my hands are pretty useful to me. Anyways, I decided to go with the thicker band because my hand is a little bit bigger, and with the dainty one, for some reason, I don't know what it is, but I kept looking at it back and forth. It just didn't look right. You guys obviously saw that I got a size 52, which is equivalent to a 6 in the US. I resized myself and ordered the correct size this time. Actually a size 55 that is equivalent according to their chart. I am a 7.1. I also changed this. You guys know that I really wanted the gold version. I went ahead and substituted for the rose gold version. When I was wearing the gold version, my hand just looked kind of more masculine, which is really not what I'm going for. So I went with the rose gold and I love it. Comes in the box. I showed you guys. I'm just gonna keep this quick and simple. Pop this open, and this is how it looks like. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference from rose gold and gold. It's really hard to kind of tell, honestly. It looks pretty much gold with like a pink hue to it. And it's got the engraving inside, which will probably be hard to show you guys on camera. This is how it looks like. I love it, you guys. It's so pretty. It's my index finger too. I wanted to switch it out, and that was the plan, to switch it out to my index finger or my middle finger. I freaking love it. It's so pretty. So I got a little bag. I think this is where you can put the ring in. Here is the new, I don't know if this is the new card or not. Okay, this is a new card. So this is a new certificate for the new ring. Again, to keep for resale value in my opinion. Anyways, I'm super excited to actually have this piece in my collection. I absolutely love it. It's rose gold. It's different. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, you're more than welcome to comment down below, and if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. It would mean so much to me. This was such an awesome experience in the beginning, towards the ending, just the middle part when it didn't fit my finger, but overall I think it was meant to be, because I think the thicker version is just meant for me. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye you guys.